Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm hoping you guys are staying cool. Been gone for 2 weeks. I actually went backpacking for 14 days in New Mexico with the Boy Scouts, 101 miles. It was beautiful, it was great, but man, it was tough. So hey, I got about 4 items for you today. First of all, let's talk about gifting and jumbo loans. So lenders are actually loosening up the capability of getting gifts for the down payment on jumbo loans. So that's pretty cool. They follow Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac guidelines, and that came out last week. So that's pretty nice. Bank statement programs. When you have a self-employed borrower, it's super tough because a self-employed borrower will deduct almost everything off their tax returns. If they deduct way more than they probably should to prevent them from paying taxes, we do have bank statement programs, and the interest rates really aren't that out of the range of a conventional loan for a bank statement program. We can do a 12 months or a 24-month bank statement program. And basically, we just get the business bank statements, we add up all the deposits, and we put it into the calculator, and that's how much income we get. So bank statement programs are actually hugely popular. We do quite a bit of them, and we encourage the self-employed people that if they don't think they can get it off their tax returns, bank statement programs are definitely an option. Lately, we've had a lot of roof issues, and so if you remember, if you've been around for a while, a majority of the homes in the Treasure Valley during the big, huge boom were built between 98 and 2007. Of course, we crashed in 2006. So all of those homes on a typical builder were only 15-year shingles. Some of them were 20, but most of them were 15-year shingle. So appraisers are really calling out roof inspections right now on anything that was built in that era. So what I would do is, as a listing agent, I would ensure that you're getting a roof inspection. Go up there, take a look at it. If you need a roof inspection, prep your sellers that the roof is going to need to be replaced, because appraisers are really looking for that. And then start getting some bids. Typically, we cannot escrow withhold a roof, so it usually has to be replaced at the time prior to closing, but it's 107 degrees outside, so we might be able to get some exceptions. I want to give everybody an update on the Triggering Lead bill and the 2 VA bills that we're trying to get passed in Congress. The Triggering Lead bill is hopefully going to get attached to the National Defense Authorization Act. It's a slide in. It's kind of how they slide pork in onto National Defense Authorization Act. This is not a pork bill. There's no cost to the borrowers on this one. So it looks like we have a high probability of getting that in. That would be super awesome. And then the 2 VA bills, we're also trying to get slid into the National Defense Authorization Act. Again, these are not pork bills. There's no cost involved to the taxpayer. So we're hoping to get this in. And last but not least, if you ever need a flag retired, I just had one dropped off last week. Being a Boy Scout leader, we retire flags. So if you don't know, I can pick them up. You can drop them off at my office if you have clients or whatnot that have flags that need to retire. My Boy Scout troop and the Boy Scout retire thousands of flags, and I mean thousands of flags per year. So with that, I would like everybody to keep cool. Rates are stabilizing, maybe ticking down a little bit. We'll see next week what happens with the Federal Reserve. Thank you as always. Bronco season's coming up. Make it a great day.